Now, we don't know exactly what our plans are, but that wall is horrendous. It's been leaking. And then a little sneak preview of the back. Yeah, there used to be an outrigger there. That's our house next door. Anybody want to buy a radiator? They were going to convert it into HOMC, a house of multi-occupancy, for the vulnerable. But it all kind of like went wrong. We got a free bed. Anyone want to buy a single bed base? A shower frame? So this is the ground floor. Then if we go up there, that is just open to the outside world. I've got a bit of work to do. The upstairs isn't too bad. Just all these partition walls have to come down. Partition walls. Oh, that's brick. That's partition. All these partitions. I mean, look, they just cut the house in half. I've got lots of free cable and all that. Well, it's not free, I bought it. .110 power cable. Yes, the size of this landing. That wall's got to go. They've all got to go. And then that is the step to freedom. If I can get the camera around there. Yeah, you can't really see. Boiler. At least I've got some slates for the roof repairs. Again, all partition walls have to go. Have to go. So there we go. So hopefully update as I go. I'll do another video of the outside. But it's a dump. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. Right. So there you go. Got a bit of work to do. Catch you later. Bye.